So, Mavic Mini. Now, I'll do a full video on the main channel at some point very soon. I know it's a bit late, and I have to admit I didn't buy the Mavic Mini when it first came out because I've got the Mavic 2. I didn't really have a need for a portable drone. But I must say, so DJI have sent me the Mavic Mini for review and for playing with and testing, and I think I've fallen in love with it. It's just brilliant. I've wanted a tiny drone for a long time. In fact, I started DroningON because of a crowdfund disaster called Zano, which was one of the first tiny little drones about the size of the Mavic Mini that just failed miserably. It didn't actually deliver to anybody, although I have one unopened in a box that maybe it'd be funny to unbox at some point. Then came along the Mavic Mini, and I mean, look at this. Here's my camera bag with my Canon 90D in there, and look, there's the Mavic Mini. It just fits in the bag and you don't even know it's there. It's just a really good little drone, and it really is the portable drone that you can take with you without feeling cumbersome or feeling like you've got it on you and it's taking up space. Hopefully you've seen the wind test video that I put online yesterday. I mean, I didn't really go too far into my view of the drone as an entirety, but after I shot that video and I watched back the footage, the 2.7K video footage on board, I'm just shocked. Now, that video I put out, I upscaled to 4K. You know, I shot the presenting scenes native vanilla 4K on the Canon 90D, but of course I had to upscale the footage from the drone 240% or so, and it still looks beautiful. It upscales to 4K beautifully. And of course, most people don't really have a need to shoot drone footage in 4K, really. I mean, let's be fair, you know, it's not really a necessity. But that footage is so sharp, so crisp, it's so impressive for such a tiny little drone. Anyway, I just wanted to express my thoughts about the Mavic Mini. I can't wait to see the Mavic Mini successor, because I suspect it will have obstacle avoidance. I suspect it will fly much longer. I suspect that it will have much more power capability, probably not be powered by lithium-ion batteries, but lithium polymer, so we won't see these battery fade reports that have been discussed by some consumers. It's going to be at least another year away, maybe 2 years, but that successor is going to be great if and when it arrives. Having said that, the Spark didn't have a successor in that model line. It was basically discontinued. You could argue that the Mavic Mini is the Spark's successor, but who knows? Anyway, just wanted to get these thoughts out. That's the purpose of this channel, to get these raw thoughts out there. If you enjoy this content, hit the subscribe button, but also press that little bell next to it, because breaking news will be posted on this channel long before it arrives on DroningON's main channel. So if you want to hear it first, click the bell icon. Give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you don't care about breaking news and you're just a bit of a knob. And thanks very much for watching. Cheers.